that time again. Hammer time. Let's go see what we're working with, see if they got their money's worth. Let's see what we got in here. Oh wow. Yeah, that's a big old unit. They got their money's worth. Jeez, well, that's probably 23 tons. Family and like that. Hammer's out. You know, it's so funny. I keep thinking it's October. It's already November. Wow, time just goes by so fast. It's crazy. Golly, yeah, that's getting light. Wouldn't that be something? You know what I'll say? That's right. That's good. Woo! That's a heavy one. Actually made my heart flutter a little bit when I seen it do that. Told him run the tags. It never fails. Every time we're loading, straight into the sun. I always think of that song from Thrice. Stare straight into the sun when I'm loading like that. I think I'm gonna jockey this down there. And then I told him next time he can just pull up and we'll load right off the road. That way when Brian gets here, we can just dump that load here. I tell you, I loaded that thing super heavy, but I told him I was charging him by the load, so if it takes me blowing out my unit shaft to save the customer 200 bucks, you know, that's what I'll do. I'll cost myself $4 grand for their 200. See, I'll stay just all down here. I'll just have him pull along the road, and then I'll get this out. I got some downtime anyway. Plus, when he was coming up here unloaded, it was jumping and hopping. After we get a load in here, a real heavy one, I get this graded, I'm gonna have him roll it in with the truck, see how much it smashes down. I got that compactor for this thing, but man, I don't think it does what it, I just don't think it does very good. I don't think it's worth hauling it to the job, put it that way. Dig it into the ground there by that box. I'm just waiting for an, you know, a pop and a flash. Like Hiroshima. All good things come to an end. Running down the grass, that way I don't put any giblets in the new gravel. Just waiting curbside with my liquor in my cup. Think I heard Hammer or somebody. There he is. My hero. Yee! Man, that truck looks good. I didn't tell you guys, I almost bought a single axle just like that. But guy was not very cool, to say the least. Told him I want this guy. You gonna do some traffic patrol?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Units doing traffic patrol. At least we're not loading into the sun. That's good. Big dog's here. Got them stacked up. No matter where you put something, it's always in the way or not out of the way enough. Just like that. Probably run into that and blow out his tire. Back it on up. That looks like it's got a little, this stuff here, man, it don't have much giblets in it. Normally, I don't know, maybe it's drier. So normally that top coat 53's got all kinds of stuff in it. Yeah, see, we'll take the dump truck and run all that shit in. Pack in there real nice. And just like that, he's off. Service with a smile. Latch your gate. That could be bad. Get the bullshit and you forget. Bolsheviking. I got hammered doing loc dog shit. He's packing it in. That truck loaded's gonna do better than a vibrator, packing this in. Well, maybe better than my vibrator. That's the first thing Brian said. He said, yeah, I noticed this ain't got much fines in it. Yeah, I guess it just depends. How, baby, how? Preach, baby, preach. Love you, Daddy. You can still see it smooshing down. Look at that. It's packing it. Now this stuff looks like it's got a lot of white in it, but it's got some fines. I tell you, you tell Hammer to do something, he's gonna do it. Look at that, there ain't hardly a spot left he ain't ran over. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's the fines right there. Get some water on this, it'll activate it. That's packing in there real nice. That's not a driveway there, that's a friggin' road. Well, there we go. You guys seen it from before till now. It looked like a creek running through there. Just another Orschell Excavating bitchin' driveway. Takes you guys. Just remember that when you're to the next one. It's gonna be an adventure. You never know what tomorrow holds. Nobody's a legend until they're gone. Remember that.